A hyperbola is the set of all points in a plane such that, for any point P in the set, the absolute value of the difference of the distances to two fixed points, called the foci, is constant, specifically 2a, the length of the transverse axis of the hyperbola. Like circles, ellipses, and parabolas, hyperbolas are conic sections. In other words, curves obtained by slicing a right circular cone with a plane. Specifically, we obtain a hyperbola when the plane is parallel to the axis of rotation of the double cone and perpendicularly intersects its two bases. The directrices of a hyperbola are two fixed lines in the plane, located outside the hyperbola, that are used in the construction and definition of the hyperbola. If the directrices are vertical, the hyperbola opens horizontally, whereas if the directrices are horizontal, the hyperbola opens vertically. The distance from the center to either of the directrices is equal to a squared divided by c, where a is the length of the semi-transverse axis and c is the focal distance. This formula shows that the longer the focal distance, the shorter the distance from the center to either directrix becomes. Conversely, the shorter the focal distance, the longer the distance from the center to either directrix becomes. A hyperbola can also be defined as the set of all points in a plane such that, for any point P in the set, the ratio of the distance to a focus to the distance to the corresponding directrix is constant, and this ratio is equal to the eccentricity E of the hyperbola. This ratio is always greater than 1 for a hyperbola. Like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.